here we are. So I'm going to lose the DVR. You're going to see how it looks before we go ahead and do what we need to do. I want to install the hard drive inside. Yeah, so put the hard drive before using it for our job. Okay, so here, okay, though we have lots of screws loose here, just be patient, we'll soon be done. We're done with our screw. Then there's a, so you see how empty the 32 channel DVR looks. See, it's completely empty, and it doesn't come with a hard drive or a hard disk. It doesn't come with a hard disk. I'm going to include a hard disk here because we bought one. We have 1 terabyte here. So here's our hard disk. This is 1 terabyte. Okay, so in this scenario, in this case, we can actually use more than one hard disk in this because this is 32 channel. Imagine having 32 cameras here constantly recording, so you need two 1 terabyte to actually fill up here. But what we're using here today, we're using one to do this. So watch me as I'm going to connect this to the system. So inside the box we have our cables for the connections here. So there we go. Okay, so this goes in here and this goes in here. Then we have this. So this was meant for the two hard disks here. So this is meant for two hard disks. We'll have just one here. Okay, we are done with this connection, and this is meant for the next hard disk we have here. We'll plug this to it. So since this is done, we're going to screw it from below. So there's a provision to screw the